Alright, you guys, so right now I'm applying the NYX eyeshadow base in the color white, or 01. I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm just applying that color all in my crease. I'm going in with another color. I don't know the colors because it's not listed on the back of that palette. So now I'm putting that all on my lids, my lid. I'm blowing the excess off of the brush. So now I'm applying the NYX Total Control foundation. I don't know what color that is, but I'll list it below, but it's darker than my skin tone. Blend, blend, blend. Blends all of that out. Okay, so I'm using the Cover FX concealer palette, and I'm going to use that light shade under my eyes to conceal. It looks yellow there, but that's not the actual color. The bridge of my nose. I'm gonna probably put a little on my Cupid's bow. Yeah, just a little. On my chin, and a little on my forehead, just a little bit. And now I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and blend all of that out. You want to make sure your concealer is very well blended. No harsh lines or anything like that. Just by pressing it into the skin. So now I'm going to contour with that. Okay, that dark shade is muddy. That's what I was trying to say. It's very muddy like, so I have to be very careful. I kind of dab it on there. And I leave it for a little bit. Y'all can see on this side it's really like muddy. And then with the stripling brush from MAC, I just swirl. I do swirls when I'm blending it in a circular motion. So I'm gonna line my lips with this Lancôme brown lip crayon. It's really dark, so I tried to use a little bit. That's why I'm blending it out with my fingers. That is a holographic lip gloss from Essence. I got that from Ulta for $2.99. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going in with a banana powder under my eyes, everywhere that I use the concealer at. And this highlighter is from Makeup Revolution. It's so beautiful. I also purchased that at Ulta as well. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what other looks you want me to try. Thank you. Mwah.